খুবই ভালো মিটিং হয়েছে। The Honorable Minister Khalilur Rahmanji and the Honorable State Minister Shamaji, এই মিটিংটা আমি ভাবি একটা পদক্ষেপ, আর খুবই যাকে বলে ইন এ ভেরি ওয়ার্মথ এনভায়রনমেন্ট, কেন কি আমাদের ইস্যু সব একই আছে। And I can tell you that historically, culturally, even sports, cricket, আমরা সব কথা বলেছি। আর I'm going very happy from here, and I'm very grateful that the honorable ministers gave me so much of time. We have opened up the visas, as you know. So from both sides, for the mutual benefits of people from India and Bangladesh both, they are extremely happy. And this relationship is historical. We share not only the borders but the history, culture and the dreams. So meeting ta খুবই ভালো হয়েছে, and I am looking forward for a relation which is absolutely the foundation of which is the mutual benefit from people to people, from both sides. And once again, thank you very much for coming in large numbers. So we look forward for a continuous relation. Ja bollam, right from culture to music, even cricket, সব কথাবার্তা হলো। আর this is just the beginning, and I'm sure we will be engaging more with each other, and I look forward to that.